when they send out an inspector to the house. And what that inspector does is he looks through the problems of the house, and they send it back to insurance. Hey, these are the possible hazards on the property. And then from there, the insurance company may up your... What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, it's been a while. I've been a little bit busy. Got my, obviously my insurance license I talked about before, but I want to do something a little bit different. Talk about the difference between real estate and running insurance, because I do both, and it's actually not going too bad. I do like it. I love helping out families and teaching them the finances, and then helping them buy their dream home up here, or just an investment property. As you can tell, it's a Sunday, so there's nobody really here. We're gonna go in and we're gonna break down the whole aspect of having a insurance agency and then being able to do real estate at the same time. It is when you get super busy, it's very rough to handle, but I was thinking that maybe if you guys were interested, I could do a day in a life video of me handling both sides. We're currently getting the office ready. We just hired a few new agents to help them. They're interested in helping families, and it's a way for them to make passive income. Definitely stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, because we got a lot of good information coming your ways. Super great news about real estate. About to get over my first $1 million in properties sold, and I'll bring that up because, like I said, this video is about making money in insurance and making money in real estate. Now, you might ask which one is better, but we can't decide. Not any one is better. There is good and bad to both sides. More explaining that with real estate, you can make a lot of money at once, but it's a one-time pay. With insurance, it's residual. Now, with some companies, they will pay you 100% of everything you write, and in real estate, they pay you, if you're working for a big brand company like Century 21, Coldwell Banker, Keller Williams, they go based off of your commission of the previous year. So most people, when they get the real estate license, they start at 60%. Sometimes if you go with a private realty company, meaning like their own brokerage, you can get usually around 80%. Just depends on how hard you work and the commitment you add to their business. So there's good sides of that. And again, your commission is a lot higher in real estate, but it's only a one-time pay once you close it. And in insurance, we actually get residuals, because you always need insurance. Real estate, you always need to buy a house. You don't need to, but most people buy it as investment properties. If you're making $60 off your clients and you have 100 clients, you make $6,000. So it's a numbers game in the insurance industry. With real estate, it's finding who's actually ready to buy and who's just looking around. Those, again, like I said, I can go real estate training, insurance side training, doing well in both. Actually, just when I started doing it in January, I'm actually up to 6 insurance policies right now. And yes, I do, because I represent 22 different companies, like I'm not direct to any of them. I do comparative quotes, and most of the time I beat out my competitors because statistics are just there. Even if they don't bundle with me, I can beat their bundle price with sometimes their insurance company, which is really nice because it's saving them money. And then when we go to be able to actually do our training aspect of it, all of our training, we buy our leads. It's a numbers game in insurance, like I stated before. We have to average 100 people. We have to talk to at least 28 clients a week, and maybe out of those 28, we get 10 clients that actually get policies. Because not all policies can work for them, and sometimes I can't beat their insurance company, which is fine. I just want to do my best to save my clients money. I always believe quality over quantity. So don't chase the money where it's big, because when you help out the people that have, like, they can't afford much, they know someone who will have that big return, that, like, they might only make $30,000, but they have a friend that makes over $100,000 to $120,000. So you never know who that person knows. So always provide excellent service to each and every one of your clients because they know someone, and that service that you provide will get you more clients, will get you more money. Yes, it is slower. You don't get paid a lot right away, but it residually builds up. So you keep up that. I mean, I always ask for reviews every time I work with a client in real estate and insurance. I can drop in my insurance reviews and some of my real estate reviews. Both of them I have 5 stars because I just pride myself on customer service, and that's really what I focus on. So you never have to worry about what kind of service you're going to get from me. I like doing what I do, and it's just lots of fun. As a side note, we did a video for Costa Rica when we went for our vacation because we didn't have one for 4 years. I have videos for that and a little bit of training and how much we roughly spent. I don't remember exactly. And then how the COVID tests work, recommendations as far as where to go, because if you go to a private company down there, they might charge $180 versus an actual clinic. They charged us $80, which was way better. So if you guys are interested in Costa Rica video, I have all my videos, but I know this channel is mostly insurance and real estate. But if you're interested in that, I can easily add that. Again, that's really what I wanted to talk about. If you want more in-depth insurance and real estate side explanations, or another video more in-depth with them side by side, leave a comment below. Definitely press like because it helps with the algorithms with the YouTube world. And I need to be able to make you guys more videos to help. If you think about getting into real estate and then you getting into insurance, being able to educate you on how to successfully grow your business. I'm not successful by any means in insurance yet, but I'm projecting myself to be by 7 or 8 months pretty successful in insurance. Real estate, I'm doing really well. 99.9% of my clients always work with me, and they love the amount of information that I have because when they ask me a question, I have their answer, and it's not like it's a BS answer. Like, it's stuff they actually research, they follow up on, and just having that knowledge in both insurance and when you're selling a house, it makes it nice because then you can I was an insurance inspector too, so I did a video on that as well. Like, I was an insurance inspector for probably 3 or 4 months, which was nice because it gave me the opportunity to learn about what insurance companies look for when they send out an inspector to the house. And what that inspector does is he looks through the problems of the house, and they send it back to insurance. Like, hey, these are the possible hazards on the property. And then from there, the insurance company may up your insurance monthly because of the hazard. Like, there's a lot of debris on the side of the house. You have appliances on the house. You have a house that's likely to catch on fire because you have trees touching the house or overhanging trees over the roof. There's a lot of things that go into it. So, having that knowledge and understanding it, I might do a video on how to make your house a better look for your inspections when they go to your house to do the house inspections. This way, that rate that I give you or that agent gives you, you're going to keep that rate because, again, insurance companies don't want to invest against high risk, so they'll raise you up like $5, $10, $15 to acclimate the assumption that you're going to have a loss because of the appliances, the shrub that you have touching that house and stuff like that. So they have to compensate that difference in the event that you actually have a loss. So if you guys found this video totally helpful, again, press a like, subscribe. I have a lot more videos coming to you guys, and if you guys have any recommendations, you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments and I'll do videos on each one. Looking forward to seeing some comments from you guys, and have a great day. Don't forget to share if you found this helpful.